Orange TH100 thus ends, or rather reaches the almost the final conclusion of one of the most ambitious repairs I've had to make, with improvisation being a big aspect. Given the condition of the circuit board, simply popping in a new ceramic socket was not feasible. Neither was installing a chassis mount socket and running flying leads. So this is what I came up with. Test fit it. It's lovely. So you have your plate and screen supplies here. This is not just tacked onto the top of the trace. There's a incredibly small hole drilled through the center of the trace, and it's hooked around the other side, soldered here, soldered there, soldered everywhere. Same deal with this guy here. I've used the rotary tool to remove all of the trace material, so there's zero contact with any of the metal hardware here. These eyelets from the female end of the tube socket are off of the board. Even if they were on the board, it would be of no consequence at this point. But there you have it. And it's only what? Just a millimeter above the height of the others. A millimeter proud. There's the business end. It was insane. The damage that was done included a distortion of this PVC jacket, which are, you know, fragile anyway, but you can see how they ran their heaters untwisted. This is not a DC supply either. There's a hum balance pot. So I twisted them up as best as I could, but they were flopping all over the place. Just shame on you, Orange. And that's it. We'll reinstall and see where we land. I mean, this was a Hail Mary. So, talk later.